Let's go get him again.
You could say I'm a fan of the one lineup from the house of Dolce Gabbana. This line actually gets a good bashing here and there in our fragrance community. Not everybody loves this line. More negatives than positives. I'm a fan. I like some of these releases from Dolce Gabbana. When they released Royal Night, really enjoyed that one. I jumped on it, loved it. And honestly, I don't know why it took me so long to jump on this one, the Mysterious Night Edition. But it's finally here, and guess what we're doing today? Well, we're talking about it. We're going to sniff this one. Let's go. What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robozoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing. No, we're not, because this is a tester. But I am giving a first impression, not on skin. But I am going to give you a first impression on the one Mysterious Night. And this one is kind of a darling in our fragrance community. Actually, a lot of reviewers like this one. And I remember when this one got first released, Royal Night was getting the love out of the one lineup, not this one. Now, this is a 2018 release. I'm a fan of the one lineup. I would say it's one of those lines that as a collector, I like to finish the line as far as purchasing and finishing the collection. They're continuing to release these, but I still want to grab as many as I can. I'd say I'm a fan of about 85% of their releases here of this line. I don't, where's that? The gray one, I don't own that one. Sport was not so good. But a lot of their darker releases, you know, the original Eau de Toilette, I like. Royal Night version, of course, I like EDP. I'm a fan. So this one is finally here. The next one I want to get is actually the newest one that just got released. I'm super late, right? Some fragrance reviewers are talking about Luminous Night, which is their newest one. And here I am doing a 2018 release. Alas, that is life. But I like to take my time with purchasing and getting new releases. So let's not get ahead of ourselves and talk about the nice, new, shiny new toy of the one lineup. But let's delve into this one right here. So this release right here is supposedly supposed to be rose-based, obviously with the red color. Middle Eastern exclusive release. So I'm always a fan of that. Not a fan of limited releases, but usually when they're released in the Middle East first, I tend to enjoy those fragrances when they come towards me. So let's sniff out the one Mysterious Night. And again, I'm a fanboy of this DNA, and I can't wait to smell this one. Let's delve into it. Yeah, this is good. All right, so Dominant Rose up top. Little jammy. It has some sweetness to the release. It has an ambery base to it. I can feel a resinous background to this one. It has a smoothness, almost like I don't want to say there's iris in here, but it really has that beautiful, that rose is really nice in here. It really is smooth. And again, I think there's saffron in this and oud, so it'll be that stigma that it's a saffron oud rose combo. At this point, no, there is a lot of ambery backbone to this release. The rose is more dominant right now. It has a darkness to the fragrance, so it's a sweet rose, some darkness, some resins, a little touch of spice here with the saffron. Oud. Yeah, it's more of a, you got to say quickly, the oud itself, it's more of a woody facet, like a dusty, woody, westernized oud. Nothing crazy as far as the oud goes, but again, on par with let's say the oud in Versace, oud noir. That type of oud, yeah, good oud, but that rose is nice. Good blend, complexity's there. I like this one. I really like this one. So this one right here, Mysterious Night, really a good release. I can't wait to delve into this one a little bit more. Yeah, it's a good one right there. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Please let us know what you think about this release. And as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching YouTube. Have a good one.